Alright, I've identified 15 highly profitable business ideas with low competition, and the best part is, most of these ventures don't require substantial startup capital and are relatively easy to initiate. Generally, they don't demand extensive skills either. Before we go any further into this video, welcome to Cash Money Ideas. Here, we will show you the most up-to-date making money online ideas, tips, and tricks. Please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And lastly, don't forget to leave a comment below. We would love to hear your thoughts. Now, let's get back to the video. First on the list is senior proofing. Aging is inevitable, but ensuring living spaces are senior-friendly doesn't have to be daunting. This involves modifying homes to enhance safety for seniors residing in them. Tasks may include installing guardrails, elevators, or making bathrooms more accessible. With the U.S. centenarian population projected to quadruple over the next 30 years, there's substantial growth potential. Senior proofing projects typically yield between $500 and $5,000 per project. Given the demand and profitability, I'd rate this an 8.5 out of 10 opportunity score. Moving on to baby proofing. This is essentially creating a safe environment for infants and toddlers. It's a lucrative market, estimated at $6.2 billion. Tasks involve ensuring children can't access harmful items like medicines or cleaning products. Baby proofing can earn between $50 and $100 per hour, with initial costs for a 2-bedroom home ranging from $252 to $780. Given the demand and earnings potential, I'd rate this an 8 out of 10 opportunity score. Next, let's talk about stump removal. In this line of work, you're tasked with eliminating tree stumps for homeowners, landscapers, and property developers. While technically a subset of landscaping, it's a specialized field. Clients typically pay anywhere from $300 to $1,000 per stump removal. This presents a niche business opportunity with considerable earning potential, whether pursued as a side gig or a full-fledged venture. I'd rate this a 7 out of 10 in terms of opportunity score. Moving on, we have home energy auditing. Here, professionals evaluate residential energy consumption to identify areas for improvement and efficiency. Operating within the energy conservation industry, you can offer your services independently, collaborate with local utilities, or partner with construction firms. Not only does this benefit the environment, but it also saves homeowners or business owners money. The average cost of a home energy audit is approximately $425. Additionally, you may earn commissions by recommending or installing energy-efficient products. Given its potential, I'd rate this a 7.5 out of 10 in terms of opportunity score. Now, let's discuss selecting a profitable niche on YouTube. Many aspiring content creators overlook the importance of choosing a lucrative niche. While gaming, vlogs, and travel channels are popular, they're also highly competitive. Success in such saturated markets is often elusive. Instead, consider exploring micro-niches on YouTube, where smaller channels with fewer than 5,000 subscribers can still generate substantial income, sometimes exceeding 6 figures monthly. The key is to address real problems for audiences with purchasing power. Education channels tend to be more profitable than entertainment channels. YouTube offers tremendous potential for earnings, with some channels generating over $3 million monthly. I'd rate this a perfect 10 out of 10 in terms of opportunity score. Next up is a business specializing in bedbug eradication. During my tenure at a hotel, one of my mentors, my former boss, imparted wisdom across various ventures, including the hospitality sector, where bedbug issues are prevalent. It's not confined to hotels, but extends to Airbnbs and even residential properties. Addressing this problem presents a lucrative opportunity, given the severe repercussions of bedbug incidents on online reviews and business reputation. The pest control market already stands at $22 billion and is projected to reach $29 billion by 2026, indicating significant growth potential. Moreover, 20% of Americans have encountered bedbug infestations at home. Services for bedbug extermination command fees ranging from $300 to $5,000, with the option for follow-up inspections to prevent reinfestation. As a side note, pest control salesmanship offers substantial earning potential, with six-figure incomes within reach. Considering these factors, I'd rate this opportunity a solid 9.5 out of 10. Moving on, let's discuss home nursing or home care services. This involves delivering personalized healthcare solutions directly to clients within the comfort of their residences, akin to having a hospital brought to one's doorstep. With one home nurse per 154 households in the United States, and a notable example being a home nursing agency with an annual revenue of $67 million, the profit potential is evident. Healthcare presents diverse career avenues and business prospects, underscoring its viability. Hence, I'd rate this opportunity an 8.5 out of 10. Before we continue, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up. If you love the video so far and found the content interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Now, let's get back to the video. Now, onto a less conventional idea, concrete removal. Ever come across unsightly concrete slabs marred by cracks and grime, wishing they could be eliminated? Well, specialized businesses handle just that, demolishing and clearing old or damaged concrete structures from driveways, patios, and more. The average fee for concrete removal jobs falls within the range of $200 to $6,000, with an average of $2,000. Given the demand for such services, this opportunity merits an 8 out of 10 rating. The next opportunity is in the realm of mobile on-call car mechanics, a service that's in high demand yet relatively rare. Consider the inconvenience of traditional car repairs, driving to a repair shop, waiting in the office, and possibly arranging alternative transportation. What if a mechanic could come to your driveway instead? That's precisely what these professionals offer. The range of services varies widely, from a simple oil change costing around $35 to a clutch replacement, which could run up to $1,400. Mobile mechanics typically charge a premium for their convenience, catering to clients who value time over money. Given this demand, I rate this opportunity an 8 out of 10. Next on the list is an elevator repair service, focusing on the maintenance and repair of elevators. Elevators are critical pieces of technology requiring meticulous attention to ensure safety and functionality. With approximately 1 million elevators in the United States, there's a substantial market for repair services. The national average cost for repairing an elevator falls between $500 and $1,000, with additional recurring maintenance expenses. However, this opportunity necessitates specialized knowledge and certifications, which slightly lowers its rating to a 7.5 out of 10. The next opportunity on the list that doesn't necessitate a lot of specialized knowledge is carpet or rug cleaning. I had a first-hand experience with this when I was moving out of a house. I hired a cleaning company to assist me, but they informed me that they didn't handle carpet or rug cleaning. This became a significant issue for me because I had accidentally spilled Chinese food on the carpet, resulting in a stubborn stain. I had to search for a specialist in carpet cleaning, and when I found one, they charged a higher fee than I expected. Many general cleaning services do not include carpet or rug cleaning, presenting a substantial opportunity for entrepreneurs. Establishing a service solely dedicated to carpet or rug cleaning can potentially yield a full-time income, with earnings often exceeding $1,500 per day for specialized cleaning, especially for Oriental rugs. This presents a lucrative venture, earning a 9 out of 10 opportunity score. Similarly, mattress and couch cleaning services offer a profitable niche. Unlike standard house cleaning, these services require specialized equipment and techniques. Mattress and couch cleaning can be highly lucrative, with potential opportunities to refurbish and resell items. This opportunity receives an 8.5 out of 10 score. Moving on, generator installation services are in demand for homeowners seeking backup power solutions. As power outages become more frequent, homeowners recognize the importance of having a generator installed beforehand. Typically, homeowners are willing to pay between $1,500 and $5,000 for professional generator installation. Given the potential earnings and increasing demand, this opportunity scores a 7.5 out of 10. Next, a camping equipment rental business, including tent rentals, presents an attractive opportunity. Beyond traditional camping, tents are also sought after for events like family gatherings or graduation parties. Furthermore, setting up tents on properties for semi-camping experiences, often rented through platforms like Airbnb, is gaining popularity. This versatile venture scores a 7 out of 10 opportunity score. The last opportunity to explore is virtual assistant services, but it's crucial to specialize in a specific area. For example, you could focus on providing virtual assistant services tailored to SaaS, software as a service companies. These virtual assistants require a specialized skill set, often specific to the needs of SaaS companies. You may need to provide training in these specialized skills, which could include tasks unique to the software industry. SaaS companies typically compensate for these services by either paying a one-time placement fee, ranging from $5,000 to $10,000, or offering monthly payments as the virtual assistant performs their duties. Alternatively, if you prefer not to establish a virtual assistant staffing agency, you can independently offer your services as a virtual assistant, honing your skills in high-demand areas and directly assisting companies. There are numerous opportunities in this field, but specializing and acquiring in-demand skills are key to maximizing value. This opportunity rates an 8 out of 10 on the Opportunity Score scale. If you loved this Make Money Online video and found the content interesting and informative, please like and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say, and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And don't forget to subscribe to Cash Money Ideas. See you in the next video.